Well, welcome back, guys. We're out in the shop today. I had to recruit, and my son, Caden, nephew, we are going to try to get this place cleaned up. I have definitely, I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. Got motors laying around everywhere. All this stuff back together back here. Get some vehicles moved around. I haven't had time to do much of this, and I needed some help, so they opted to come and help me today. I don't know about Jace. Jace was like, I don't know about that, but yeah, we're gonna try to get all this stuff moved around and kind of see how this goes. Y'all stick it out with us. Check it out. Appreciate it. So here I was taking and hooking the electric winch. My grandpa gave it to me a while back, and I had never found a use for it as of right now. But that thing came in handy for sure. Getting this old 1957 Coca-Cola cooler. We got that thing pretty much lifted up there. My nephew come up there and helped me. We got it all kind of attached to the beam above, and my son and my nephew took and was downstairs and helped us. They pushed it around. Dylan had to go down there and help them push it up, and we got it all up there and got it secured in place. And I wanted to put it on that side because there's a lot more bracing on that side of the wall. To hold it up. It's not, I mean, it is heavy, but it's not super, super heavy. So it worked out pretty good though, for the most part. So we got a bunch done. As y'all, there was a fiasco, but we got the cooler up in there. That freed up that spot. I've been wanting to do that for a while. Got the table moved over here in this area to free that up. Slowly getting all this kind of together. I wanted to get my metal brake, get it put over here, get the blaster over here so I can actually use it. And got the table and everything set up under there. Got this moved around where I feel like I'll have a lot more space. The next thing that we're actually going after now is going to get my S10 put back here so I can start maybe try to get some work done on it eventually. And but yeah, for the most part, like I say, I opted to make this kind of the welding area some sort, because instead of having it over here, and if I have a car close by, I'm not going to be able to really do much right there, which I experienced here not too long ago. But slowly getting after it. We got a little bit more to go, and we're about there. These guys has definitely been rock and rolling. I appreciate them severely. My nephew Jace, not so much. He hasn't really done nothing. He's just been texting girls and stuff like that on the phone. That's all he's been doing. But anyways, yeah, we're about to get this moved over there, and then we can get the other C10 back in here so we can kind of get a little bit more space freed up in this area. And I can move a lot of stuff on the other side of the car now, which it was not kind of where it was at. So here we go. We pretty much got a lot of this stuff moved around. We got the S10 moved around. These two are jacking off.
He's supposed to jack.
Yeah, these two are literally jacking off.
He's always been circle.
But anyways, got it moved over here. And I feel like it just freed up a ton of space over here from like I had it before. So I'm going to get a lot of the my other small two boxes. I'm going to get them put up against this wall right here. And it's just going to free up a lot more space and make it a lot easier moving around, working on a couple of the projects in the shop. So I think this is going to be definitely a better solution to considering what I did have going on. So we're still making our way on it. But yeah, we're about finished up. So well, we got pretty much everything squared away. It's been a long day. We've been after it, but kind of got everything situated to where I want to get it situated and able to open all the doors, still work over here in this area, still be able to pull my car in, which I could leave it outside. It ain't no big deal, but got all these motors over here kind of in line, got them all situated, got these other ones over here, got my metal brake out to where I can actually get to it and use it. Got my TIG welder on the right hand side, MIG welder on the left hand side. Still have a bunch of room in here to work because I'm gonna get another welding table and put it on wheels to where I can move it around and stuff. And so got the S10 put back over here, all jacked up. Got the car over here, the Nova, to where I can work around it very easily, work all the way around it. And got most of my stuff arranged over here. I still got to go through some things, but for the most part I got it where I can get to everything. I can open the doors. Big shout out to my son, my nephews. They helped me out pretty big today. We got the other table because I actually used this table for a pretty good bit of stuff, but I had it stowed away back there behind this C10. So we got this thing pretty much out to where I can work all the way around it, get everything I need to get done. And yeah, like I say, that freed up a lot more space, believe it or not. But we got 6 cars in here and able to move around pretty good. It's 65 by 45. So we're rocking and rolling. So 35, not a 65 by 45. I would have a ton more space. But yeah, 65 by 35. But 65 long, 35 wide. So yeah, in this one here to try and get as organized as I can. I keep on trying to like move stuff around and everything, but as I'm adding stuff, I figure out that it takes up a ton of space. So I'm trying to organize as I go, but this right here was a needed update. So I got all that done with the help of my son and my nephews. I really appreciate that. And they got school tomorrow, so gonna take and pretty much call it. Thank you everybody for coming back and watching. Hope y'all watched through. It's probably not that interesting for a lot of people, but some people find it interesting. So I try to, add some of this stuff as I go. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all. Like and subscribe.